everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you caught our last vlog, you'll know all about the amazing resort we stayed at here in Hurghada. In this video, we're taking you beyond the resort walls to show you some of the best things to do in this incredible city. From local shopping streets to gorgeous yachts in the marina and some local must visits. Hurghada is a rather small city but nice to visit. So if you're planning a trip or you're just curious about what else this beautiful place has in store, stick around. Make sure you watch the first video about our stay here in Hurghada. We show you all around our resort that has amazing pools with great slides, gorgeous sea views, and an amazing all-inclusive buffet-style meal. Let me just tell you that we absolutely loved our hotel and had such a great time. But besides enjoying our time inside the resort, we also explored a little bit of life outside our resort. We made sure to explore Sheraton and Cherry Street, two must-visit shopping streets here in Hurghada. Just a quick 15-minute drive from our resort. Sheraton Street is buzzing with life. There are tons of shops selling everything, from local souvenirs to leather goods, and trust me, you have to haggle here. It's part of the fun. Besides 1,000 souvenir shops, you'll find a lot of herb shops advertising as self-made pharmacies. Interesting to visit. You'll also find a lot of perfume stores. Of course, a lot of shops selling fake brands. So if you like to buy some cheap fake brands, trust me, this is the place. Besides the shops, there are a lot of restaurants here. Rather surprisingly, a few Syrian restaurants. People fled the war in Syria, searching a better life, and ended up here in Egypt. We felt like every single shop owner was begging us to visit his shop in particular. So it wasn't always as easy to pass by. What do you think? Is that annoying or does it add to the charm? Please share your thoughts in the comments. On Cherry Street, you'll find cute little stores and street vendors selling handmade crafts, fabrics, and beautiful jewelry. It was such a nice change of pace from the resort scene, and definitely a great spot if you want to pick out a unique souvenir. Some people make typical handcrafts like sand drawings. Honestly, we've seen other artists do better, but we liked it anyway. What is particularly fun in Hurghada is that you will see a lot of culture just on the streets. Like this old man playing some traditional music on this typical Egyptian instrument. We couldn't pass by without enjoying the music and, of course, buying a little something from him. Oh, and I can't leave out the Hurghada Marina. This place is a gem. The restaurants are fantastic, with options ranging from seafood to pizza, sushi, and more. A lot of restaurants here are decorated in fun themes, like for instance this mushroom one. Look how cute they made it. The views over the boats are stunning, especially as the sun sets and the promenade lights up. We loved looking at all the details of this pirate ship. How fun would it be to cruise on this ship in the Red Sea? Many restaurants or bars offer shisha, something you might want to try out while you're here. You can also find some camel rides here, which is such a fun and unexpected touch here in the marina. For the little ones, there's this small train riding around to guarantee a few minutes of fun. If you're feeling adventurous, this is the place where you can book boat trips, diving lessons, or even swim with dolphins. Oh, and at the end of the promenade, we saw a so-called museum. But when we entered, we were surprised to see that it was simply another souvenir store. It's a great spot to hang out in the evening, and the vibe is super relaxed. And you'll find people strolling around until late at night. One of the things that really adds to Hurghada's charm is its traditional culture. On the drive to Sheraton Street, you'll see the Mina Mosque. This mosque is beautiful with its intricate architecture, calm atmosphere. It's a peaceful spot that gives you a deeper glimpse into the local culture. And it's free to visit. But remember to dress modestly if you plan to go inside. Once inside, you'll find these enormous chandeliers with a lot of details. At the entrance, you can grab some information about the mosque or Islam in different languages. Interesting if you would like to learn something about the culture. In front of the mosque is a big square, a nice place to take some pictures while you're here. Right next to the Mina Mosque, you'll see the fish market, which is such a cool place to visit. It's bustling with fresh catches on display, and it really gives you a taste of authentic local life. Definitely worth a quick stop to see the locals in action. Even if you're not into seafood, this is a great experience. You'll see all kinds of fishes and seafoods like giant crabs, tilapia, wahoo or mahi-mahi, or even a barracuda. Yeah, that fish with a lot of teeth. Anyway, just fun to walk around. So, what did we think of Hurghada? Honestly, it was such a perfect mix of relaxation and culture. Our advice would be to definitely book a great resort, as that will be the place where you spend most of your time. To make sure you won't get bored, book that resort with a lot of pools, slides, and preferably by the sea. If you want to know what I mean, check out our other video about our resort here in Hurghada. So, whether you want to lounge by the pool, dive into the Red Sea, or explore local culture, Hurghada really has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments what would be your favorite part of a trip here. The pools, the marina, maybe some local shopping? And if you've already been here, definitely share your top tips. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming travel adventures. See you soon. Bye.